film defects, sticking and picking, roughness, orange peel effects, bridging and filling, blistering, hazing, /dull film color variation, cracking. 29 Sticking and picking, overwetting or excessive film tackiness causes tablets to stick each other or to the coating pan. On drying at the point of contact, a piece of film may remain adhere to pan or to another tablet, giving a picked appearance to the tablet surface and resulting in a small exposed area of the core. Remedies: reduction in liquid application rate, increase in drying air temperature and air volume. 30 Roughness. A rough or gritty surface is a defect often observed when the coating is applied by a spray. Some of the droplets may dry too rapidly before reaching the tablet bed and deposits on tablet surface. Caused due to more pigment concentration and polymer concentration in the coating solution. Remedies: moving the spray nozzle closer to the tablet bed. Reducing the degree of atomization can decrease the roughness due to spray drying. 31 Orange peel effect. Inadequate spreading of the coating solution before drying causes a bumpy or orange peel effects on the coating. Spreading is impaired by rapid rate of drying or by high solution viscosity. Remedies: thinning of coating solution with additional solvents may correct this problem. Adjustment of speed of coating pan. 32 Bridging and filling. Bridging. During drying, the film may shrink and pull away from the sharp corners of bisect, resulting in a bridging of the surface depression. Monogram or bisect is completely obscured. Remedies: increase in plasticizer content or changing the plasticizer. Filling, caused by applying too much coating solution resulting in thick film that fills and narrows the monogram or bisect. Remedies: careful monitoring of the fluid application rate. Thorough mixing of the tablets in the pan prevent filling. 33 Blistering. The film becomes detached from the tablet core, forming a blister. Caused due to entrapment of gases or vapor in or under the film due to rapid evaporation of the solvent from the coating solution adhered to the core. Remedies: use mild drying conditions. 34 Hazing /dull film, also called as bloom. Due to high processing temperature. Dulling is evident when organic solvent solutions of cellulosic polymers are applied at high temperatures, exposing coated tablets at high humidity conditions. Remedies: use controlled temperature and humidity conditions. 35 Color variation caused by processing conditions of tablet coating, such as improper mixing, uneven spray pattern and insufficient coating. The migration of soluble dyes, plasticizers, and other additives during drying may give the coating a mottled or spotted appearance. Remedies: use of lake dyes eliminates dye migration. Recoating with different plasticizers and additives. 36 Cracking occurs if internal stresses in the film exceed the tensile strength of the film. Remedies: increase the tensile strength of the film using the higher molecular weight polymers or polymer blends. Decrease the internal stresses by adjusting the plasticizer type and concentration. Decrease the internal stresses by adjusting the pigment type and concentration. 37